So there's one simple line that's basically changed the way I trade and helped with my trading confidence. In this video, I'm going to show you why I'm obsessed with this magical line and how it helps me build confluence in my hot zones. Let's get right into it. It's not just a VWAP, it's an anchored VWAP, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I use it to accelerate my trading. The anchored VWAP shows you the average price that buyers and sellers have paid from a specific point in time. This tells me where the real battle is happening and who is really in control. Is it the bulls? Is it the bears? It acts like dynamic support and resistance, and it's also volume rated, not just price based. The key thing about this VWAP is it's not a lagging indicator like moving averages. It's reactive and tied to where the real money is moved. Basically, the principle behind this thing is if you are above it, you're looking for longs. If you are below it, well, you could be flipping short. Combine this with confluence levels that you will learn in the accelerator course, and you're going to see this is a powerful tool and an extremely proper trading weapon. So for me, once I started using the VWAP, it was very hard to go back to not using it. It's one of the first things that I bang out on all of my charts, and I highly suggest you guys give this a go. So I'm going to show you an example now using 𝗧, and I'm going to be dropping the VWAP for you guys. You're going to see how beautiful this thing is and how it acts as support and resistance. Just before we dive into the VWAPs, guys, a reminder that my accelerator course is open and my first workshop is happening this coming Monday. What exactly is the Accelerator School? Well, if you've been watching me on YouTube, you will see that I have a unique style of how I put things together. So what I've done in the Accelerator course is create videos for you in very short and concise manner so that you guys can understand very simple TA. I show you how I tie that in with oscillators and all the chart prime accessories that I use. So it's a real banger. You're going to know how to trade, or you're going to be leverage trading within 10 days. Spots are super limited. It's a first come, first serve basis. So make sure you sign up there using the link in the show description. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do here is just give you a quick example on how to use the VWAP, how to drop it, and then you're going to see how this thing acts as support and resistance. What an absolute banger weapon this is. So I'm looking at the 𝗧 chart on the 15 minutes. What I like to do is drop the VWAP on lower time frames. It gives me more of an accurate reading. All you need to do is simply go to your left-hand bar on TradingView, highlight the fifth from the top. You can click on anchored VWAP, and then what you want to do is drop it at an extreme low. So as you can see here, we've had a meltdown in the market. It's collapsed, and now we have had a push up on this token. So this gives us a great pivot point to drop our VWAP under that low. So we're going to go there and park the VWAP under the low. And you will note one other thing on this chart where I'm going to teach you quite a few tricks around this one in the accelerator course. But this is my magic oscillator, and this tells me a few secrets, and you can already see it's giving us clues that this token wants to move higher. But we'll talk about that in the accelerator course and obviously in the workshops as well. Now let's watch the VWAP in action. Let's see how this acts as support and resistance. Bang. Oh, look at that banger. Are we getting another one? No. Okay. There's one. There's one. There's one. Okay, so there you go, guys. Something so simple, just a magical line. We've dropped it at a big low, and you can see how this thing has behaved as support for this move so far. Right, so you've just had a look at a basic example on a chart on how to drop the VWAP, and you've seen in real time how this thing behaves as support and resistance. Now, imagine the power of this VWAP when you use it with all the other little bits of confluence that I put together in the accelerator course. So if you want to find out more about this VWAP, obviously do the accelerator course. We're going to tie in all my little bits of confluence together, and you're going to have a really powerful understanding of leverage trading trading and trading in general, and also of building your hot zones. Now, we talk about this all the time in Chart Hackers. I've got an amazing team in there, and that is my private trading community for you guys. And we are doing everything from swing trading to short-term scalping, and we're involved in everything from stocks and the NASDAQ and gold and the S&P to all your favorite shitcoins as well. And you're also going to get tons of Zoom sessions from myself and the traders in there. So you're going to get everything you can imagine in a trading community. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in Hackers, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in my Accelerator School workshop. I'm going to be covering how to use the VWAP in a little bit more detail for you guys as well, and we will be live trading. So it's definitely a workshop you don't want to miss. So make sure you have signed up in the show description below.